Welcome back. We continue to follow Hurricane Helene that has just made landfall as of 11:10 p.m.
Let's get over to Stephen McLaughlin. And Stephen, what can those folks up in the Big Bend area anticipate from here?
Yeah, so we've got a couple of things going on, right? We've got the center of the storm, which is where we have the worst winds, and that is directly over Perry right now, although Perry is actually literally seeing the eye, which means they're seeing that awful weather take a break for about 30 minutes or so, maybe an hour. Then they have the southern eye wall that has to come through the area. Tallahassee, we've been talking to Lorena. They're right on the edge of the worst winds versus the damaging winds. So damaging winds for sure, but luckily the heart of that storm is going just to the east of Tallahassee. Keep in mind that we had the Panhandle's worst storm ever in 2018. That was Michael, and now we can say the Big Bend's worst storm on record. And because of that huge counterclockwise circulation, we still have the water getting pushed in. So the second element is the storm surge. Tampa Bay, historic flooding right now. Areas on the Big Bend, 15 to 20 feet of storm surge. We still have the tornado threat, and of course we have the wind threat. So if you're just tuning in or missed the announcement, the official landfall was at 11:10 with winds of 140, a very strong Category 4, and it was located about 10 miles southwest of Perry. And by the way, Perry, it's right in this area right here that's in between the eye wall, which is the worst weather. There's the eye, and the next eye wall that has to come through. Just think if you were here for Hurricane Andrew, the first eye wall came through, then there was a break. It was the second eye wall that caused the tornadoes. The tornadoes did most of the destruction. So when you're in an area that gets the eye, it means you get the northern eye wall, then you get the southern eye wall. So for folks living in Perry, it is going to be a rough night, and they have only seen the first half of what they're going to see the rest of the night.